In some situations, it is important to double-check your understanding of what is going on with another person. This is known as perception checking. Hi, my name is Crystal Ayers, and just like all of you, I was given the opportunity to present to you a topic from the textbook of which I have a great understanding of. Today, I will be talking to you about the three parts which make up perception checking. These include objective description, interpretation, and a question. During a situation when using perception checking, objective description is used to explain what you sensed from the situation. Interpretation is giving an analysis of what the situation meant to you. And finally, you ask a question about the situation to get a better understanding of what was going on with that person. In review, I just spoke to you about the three parts that make up perception checking. These include objective description, interpretation, and a question. In conclusion, perception checking is important to use when appropriate, rather than just jumping to conclusions about a situation.